this is the most powerful retirement wealth creation tool that exists in our country. NPS can change people's lives. I will now change it to can revolutionize people's lives. I'm going to borrow your term, and thank you for suggesting this. The reality is, if you look at 401k की जो आपने जिक्र करी, 1986, if I remember correctly, is when 401k plans started coming into existence in the US. So it has been around for 30 plus years, almost 35 years. And as you rightly pointed out, 401k plans have been the boon for salaried Americans, working Americans, right? And of course, that plan has made sure that people are able to retire with significant wealth amongst people who are able to save, right? And that is a necessary condition. You need to be able to save to be able to build a corpus, right? NPS, if you look at the way NPS is structured, in fact, in 2004, when NPS was first launched, after the Oasis committee, जो कमेटी के तहत ये
दवे साहब ने
बिल्कुल
बहुत साल इस पे काम
यस सर बिल्कुल और इन्होंने जो कमेटी बनी थी और उस कमेटी और उनके recommendations, they picked up the best of the features of products globally and created this product called National Pension System. और तब से लेके अब तक जो है उस प्रोडक्ट के अंदर भी कई सारे बदलाव आए हैं, कई सारे चेंजेस और इम्प्रूवमेंट्स आए हैं. बट द रियलिटी इज दैट आई थिंक द वे एनपीएस इज स्ट्रक्चर्ड, आई जेन्युइनली बिलीव that this is the most powerful retirement wealth creation tool that exists in our country. And I'm saying this with a lot of, not just because I am a proponent and an advocate of NPS, courtesy what I do for a living, but I genuinely believe that this can change people's lives. Let me take the example of some of the investors and subscribers that I had the good fortune of meeting over the last few years that I have been in this role. इनफैक्ट कई सारे लोग जो हैं जिन्होंने 2010 या 11 में ये सोचे बिना कि भाई ये एनपीएस से कुछ बनेगा आगे जाके, उन्होंने बस शुरू कर दिया कि भाई शुरू करते हैं, कुछ है मतलब सेविंग्स हो जाएगा, एटलीस्ट एक डिसिप्लिन तरीके से जो है पैसा कट के कहीं जमा हो जाएगा. दे आर ट्रूली स्टैगर्ड at the amount of money that they have been able to build over the last 10 to 12 years. The reality is that the last 10 to 12 years have been, of course, the markets have been good. It has seen some downturns, different points of time. But the reality is that over the last 10 to 11 years, and these are people who are colleagues of mine who started without knowing कि भाई इसकी क्या impact हो सकती है. Today they are saying this is such a meaningfully large corpus. So this has actually happened by accident in many cases. Our attempt is now over the last few years, and the regulator, as you know, and you, I'm sure, have interacted with the regulators as well. The attempt that the industry is making, and as a representative of the industry also, our attempt is to make this a habit rather than an accident. And most of the people that have seen large corpuses that are getting created only in a matter of 10 years. And this product is very, very nascent. If you ask me, अभी 20 साल ही हुआ इस product को. 2004 से लेके 2010 तक तो it was not even open for private individuals, right? So it was only open for government employees. Now that this change has happened, people are starting to realize the dramatic impact that it can have in their financial future. And I genuinely believe that over the next few years, and this generation is very, very smart, they understand what such products can do for you. And I think this can truly revolutionize, क्रांति ला सकता है हमारे भारत के जो retirement, जो government का भी mission है कि भाई we want India to be a pension society by 2047, of course quite some time away. I think this is clearly a catalyst to make that a reality for the Indian society. Genuinely believe that.